Hi everyone, so starting this tutorial out, I'm using my Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer and my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm just going to apply both of those to my face using my Stands Out Beauty Sponge. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just applying this to my under eye area as well as the high points of my face. Now I'm setting all of those concealer areas using Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. And as I was setting my face, I noticed my child had gotten into some makeup. He was completely covered in just black. He had gotten his hands on what I thought was a dried out liquid liner and opened it, and nope, it was not dried out. Moving right along, I'm using Profusion Cosmetics Beauty Superstars Beauty Collection, and I'm just using the bronzer in that, and this bronzer is called Brilliant Bronzer. I am also using the blush in that palette, which is called Sparks, as well as the highlight called Lucky. Now I'm just going in with Brow Bar by Rima. This is their medium kit, and I'm just doing my eyebrows. So now for the eyes, I'm using Profusion Cosmetics Festival palette, and unfortunately this palette does not have shade names, so you guys get to hear me describe the shades I'm using. So what I put down first was kind of an orangey shade in my crease, and I'm blending that out using the yellow in the palette. Now I'm going in with kind of a sky bright blue, and I'm just kind of creating the front part of the cut crease shape. And now I'm laying down kind of a palish gold color. It's really pretty. And then right next to that, we're going to put the true gold. Just lining my eyes using a little Profusion eyeliner. And then I'm going to smoke that out using kind of a orangey reddish brown. I'm also applying the same orange and the same yellow that we started off with. Then to finish off the eye, I'm taking the Seafoam kind of blue turquoise color in the palette. Such a beautiful shade, and I'm just placing that into the inner corner. Now we're going in with Romantic Beauty, and these are their liners. One is a glitter liner, and one is kind of a metallic. I'm putting the gold glitter liner, as you can see, kind of outlining the wing shape of the shadow. And then with the blue, we're just going to outline that. Applying some false lashes. These are Bepelin Faux Minx. And then we're going to go in with Profusion's Matte Lip Cream and Lip Topper, and these are both in the shade Dream. These came in a lip kit together. And that is the final look. Taking down my hair so I can look halfway presentable, but not with these roots, girl. Those are not cute. I need to redo them so bad. Ignore them though. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.